A programming language is used to communicate with computers. It is mainly used to give instructions to a computer. There are many types of programming languages. Python, C, C++, Java, JavaScript, etc. We will be using a high-level programming language to learn how to give instructions to computer. There are other types of programming language such as low-level programming language. But they use more encoded words rather than simple English words. So, we will be using Python to write instructions to computer using English words. One of the simplest English words that a computer can understand in Python is the print keyword. Print refers to printing an output to the output screen. You can print a message, or a word, or a sentence, etc. Another important message a computer can understand is the mathematical operations. Computer can understand addition, subtraction, etc. If we type the correct symbols like plus and minus. One important fact to remember while writing instructions or program code for a computer is to always write the instructions in proper order. For example, if you want to add two numbers and print it on screen, then you should write instruction first to add two numbers. Then, second instruction to print the output. If you reverse the order, like trying to print the output before actually calculating the addition, then it might show errors. Using Python programming language, you can create software, video games, websites, create chatbots, artificial intelligence using machine learning, etc. It is easy to learn for beginners. The language consists of simple English words. You have to memorize what is the meaning for each word, and learn how to use it to write working instructions. There is a term called syntax in a programming language. Syntax refers to how you should write instructions. For example, you should write a particular word in lowercase letters. Or another example, you should write the instructions with proper space in between words. Python is also used in research facilities to programmatically reduce time in organizing data in bioinformatics. It is used in managing advanced computers or servers that run Unix operating systems. It is also used in 3D designing. Blender is a software used to create 3D models and animations. You can use programs to reduce designing time. Python is useful to create websites and also test software quality, errors, etc. We know that in real life, strategic problems are solved by creating prototypes. Any project is began by creating prototypes and then developed into full products. Likewise, Python is easy to implement prototypes in the form of prototype class and derive solution objects from it. You can write Python code using macOS and you can transfer your software application to Windows without much additional coding. Some of the frequently used codes such as working with computer hardware, handling data failures, etc. are already pre-written by many developers around the world. You can choose any of the existing coding packages and implement them in your project, without reinventing the wheel. Sometimes, you may have to write 2 or 3 different softwares in different programming languages. Python supports interacting with other programming language-based products. Python is currently one of the most used programming language and has high expectation as employee qualification. Google was created in other programming languages, but after Python was introduced, it is more widely used in Google A circumflex EUROS operation. Also, the creator of Python is also working in Google. Hardware-based companies like Intel, Cisco, HP, Seagate, Qualcomm, and IBM use Python to test their products for quality and errors. YouTube website has much of its coding written in Python. Blender 3D is a free animation software that allows Python coding and is used to create advanced animations in short films, video games and also 3D movies. Python can work with operating systems and so can be used to operate computers and servers. It can be used to create visual user interfaces with menus, buttons, etc. Like any other software. It can be used to write scripts for working with networking services like connecting to Wi-Fi. Python can work with software packages created in other programming languages. It is useful in connecting to databases and gather useful data. Python is used to operate electronic devices such as Wi-Fi routers. You can also create 2D and 3D video games, or create machine learning programs that mimic artificial intelligence.